Hi everyone, this is DJ MJ, the number one champion in action, the number one microphone contender, the young shining star. On today's video, I'm going to be reacting to the latest trend like in the Nigerian entertainment industry, in the Nigerian music industry regarding Davido and Chioma. So this is an official statement from Davido Instagram handle confirming that Chioma is positive of the coronavirus, and it goes like this. Hi everyone, I came back recently from America after cancelling tour. My fiancée Chioma also came back from London recently with our baby. We had no symptoms and still but feel perfectly fine. But because of our recent traveling history, we decided to take ourselves and our all close associates we've come in recent contact with for this COVID-19 test on 25th of March. Unfortunately, my fiance's result came positive, while all 31 tested have come back negative, including our baby. We are, however, doing perfectly fine, and she's even still yet to show any symptom or whatsoever. She is now being quarantined and have also gone into full self-isolation for the minimum of 14 days. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for your endless love and prayers in advance, and to urge everyone to please stay at home as we control the spread of this virus. Together we can beat this love D. So this is the latest official statement from Davido. So Chioma is coronavirus positive. I wish her quick recovery. So I want you to tell me your thoughts. Comment down below. If you are new around here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell for my returning subscribers. Keep returning and keep tuning in. This is MJ the Entertainment Concept. I'll be giving you updates, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much.